Hey, how you guys doing? I got a Nissan 2019 Nissan NV200. I'm going to show you how to quickly diagnose a couple special function with the OTOFIX D1. All right, let's go to auto detect. VCI is connected down there. The plug is hanging. So we got a Nissan. I like how fast is this little computer. Found the VIN, okay. North America, boom, boom, boom. Let's do hot function. Let's see what's in the hot function options. You can do oil reset, brake blade, electronic parking brake, suspension adjustment. You can program the keys. You can program the key fobs. A lot of stuff with it. Let's see what. When you change your tires, you can change the tire size. You can do VGT learning, headlights, transmission. That's very important. The trans adaptation. When you change the trans, you gotta do the adaptation on it. There's also couple. Let's see what odometer do. To show you the mileage. Let's go back. Let's go to hot functions again. Oh, sorry guys. Let's go to diagnostic now. Control unit. Let's go to BCM. Like on this one, the tire pressure it's on. I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So let's say you change your BCM and you have to do like the BCM flash. This one can do it. Test the wipers, theft alarm, panic, all that stuff. It's pretty cool. Door lock, special function. You can change like the settings when you leave the car. I mean, when you close the door will automatically lock. Let's go to signal buffer, panic alarm. Yeah, you can do a lot of stuff. Let's see what's the special options are on the meter. If I can play with the gauges or not. They'll help you to test out the cluster. Go to special function. Fuel meter. Yep. Well, I don't have a fuel meter, I guess, here. Let's go to warning lamp diagnostics. So we're gonna go. Please do not delete. Okay. So let's do ABS lights. Oh no, let's show you what's actually on this car and what's the BCM it's set to.